Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, hit or miss storms late today. This is a great example from our Rossville cam. Pouring here, not much rain here, pouring here, lighter here. So widely variable rainfall amounts in the area. A lot of those widely scattered storms fueled by the heat. A lot of the area in the upper 80s to low 90s today. We are 4 degrees from the record high of 92 set in 1964 at the Purdue Airport. And we hit 92 at Covington and 91 at Kentland. Running in the upper 60s to low 70s out there tonight. That weak cold front here and a lake breeze front all help to pop up these little pulsy, widely scattered storms right in the heart of our viewing area, very much like summer late this afternoon and this evening. But the only thing we've got left out there is one little shower near Attica, and that'll be fading soon as well. But rainfall totals varying a lot over the area and varying over a very short distance. Some of you got more than an inch, more than 2 inches of rain. Others, very little, if anything. I know where I live, I didn't get very much at my house, but there were parts of Lafayette that had 1-2 inches of rainfall. Same thing here in Warren County, all the way to southern White County, western Howard County, kind of a bullseye heavy rain. And look at the difference in rain. Around Judyville, more than 3 inches. Storm just sat there and rained itself out. You drive 6 miles to the southeast, a few hundredths of an inch. And then you go over here like into western Howard County. So northeast of Beard, just a few hundredths of an inch, if anything. And then once you get up towards Shanghai and southeast of Burlington, about 3 inches of rain in about an hour. Tonight we drop near 60 to the mid 60s. Watch for some patchy, dense fog, especially if you got a lot of rain late this afternoon or this evening. But then we heat up tomorrow, 86 to 91. The fog burns off. It's breezy to windy. The record's 91 set in 1977. Forecasting 88 and a few storms coming in by evening. There are the peak heat indices, upper 80s to mid 90s, 89 Flora, 88 Frankfort. We'll get up to 90 at Covington and 87 at Logansport. Tuesday's a hot one too. Patchy fog in the morning, 68. Much more like a June or July day. Windy, warm. The record's 92 set in 1970. We're forecasting 89 and highs upper 80s to low 90s. Look at those numbers all over the area, and the heat index 90 to as high as 97 on Tuesday. Now tomorrow 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. So this is tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. It is 1 to 2 on the scale here, mainly for our northwest half of the viewing area. For some severe weather, main threat would be a couple severe gusts. Then we look to Tuesday night, not Tuesday itself. Tuesday night, we get into the marginal to slight risk for severe weather, the main threat being wind. So let's dig into that after this map. Wednesday, we're in slight risk too for severe weather, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So we've got some opportunities for some severe weather ahead. Let's dig into a future cast. Again, we're fine tonight. Watch for the fog. Mostly dry tomorrow, but look tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Here come some of those storms we were talking about coming in from the northwest, moving through the area, and then they push out. And then much of Tuesday is dry, but then look what happens getting towards Tuesday evening, Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning with some more severe weather risk. These storms come in from the west as well. And then we'll have perhaps storms popping right over the top of the area with severe weather risk on Wednesday. The main threat from any of these storms would just be wind, the way it looks right now. 86 Wednesday. Cooler, less humid Thursday, then it heats back up. Perhaps some more storms, at least part of next weekend, and then it cools back down. And right now, Memorial Day, the storms may be confined to the morning, and then the weather improving, and really Tuesday and Wednesday look great with highs in the 70s.